let's get into it, guys. Okay, we got Euro USD on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, we finished the fifth wave over here. Actually, let me just quickly go to the 4 hour time frame so you can see a bit more of the price wave count. Okay, right now you can see that that was our three. We got the purple four over here. Since our fourth wave over here, okay, we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The lines are converging. 3 is larger than 5, 1 is larger than 3, 2 is larger than 4. This is the ending diagonal. We took out the high of 3. So we started to come down. We've broken the fractal low here. Okay, next target is here and here into this green box. That's my target for Euro USD. Okay, so currently on Euro USD, if I was to try and work out what we're doing here, I would say that from the top here, we got a 5 wave move down, a 1, 2, 3 wave move up. So to me, that's a 1, 2, or you could say an A, B. Okay. Now this is definitely a 3 or a C, but from what I can see, it looks like we got a 1, 2 impulsive push down. So that's a 3 in this degree. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Looking at 4. 4 may or may not be finished. Then I'm looking for a 5 to take out this green box, get below this green box. Okay. Now this could extend and go a lot longer, or this could end up being, it all depends on how this forms. Okay, because I'm not even convinced that we're coming down now. We could be, but if I'm looking at this as a 1 and a 2, okay, this becomes a proper 3, a completed 3, when we've reached the 1618 area. Okay, 3s do not have to hit the 1618 area, but they by far most commonly do. So I will be looking for the 1618 to the 2 region. Okay, take out the 1, 2, 3, 6. So I'll be looking for this area to be reached. Then I'll be looking for a 4th wave, a 3 wave move against the trend, and then another move to the downside for a 5th wave to bring us into this area over here. Okay, GBPUSD, beautiful, is already made it pretty clear, pretty obvious. Okay, we've broken down this low. We've spent time below the low, so it wasn't a stop hunt run up. Okay, they're comfortable over here. The market makers haven't had to hedge their positions. Okay, it isn't a quick hedge to take liquidity. So currently looking at this, potentially a 1 and a 2. Okay, potentially we're in a 3. So we could go 1, 2, 3 of our 3, 4, and then 5. 4 may or may not be finished, but at the same time, same as what we did with the Euro USD, we can put the Fibonacci extension on here. Okay, and then we can drag it to there, and as you can see, we've already hit that area where we'd expect the 3. Now 3 can be extended, 3 can go to the 3618, but just, we have reached a the most common target for a 3rd wave. So but inside here I can count 1, 2, maybe again 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't have 5 yet. So to me, the 5th wave, the 3rd wave isn't even complete yet. But I mean, this is all, like, I'm really getting into the nitty gritty of it, if you know what I mean. So like literally, we want to let price develop some more, but definitely sells, looking for sells. You could take sells if you're happy to put your stop loss up here. You can get into sells. I mean, I am expecting price to at least see this area today. This, let me draw it out, this little order block, this 1, 2 over here. I'm expecting price to at least get into that box, but price could easily come and take out the swing low. If price takes out the swing low, that's it. All positions would be closed, and I'll be waiting for a pullback to then take this price this back down, because yes, we are bullish, bearish. We swiped the low highs over here. We came and we took out Thursday, the 5th of June's high, the high of what was the high of the month, okay? What was the high of the year. We've grabbed that and we've made a move to the downside, okay? The move to the downside does not look corrective. It looks impulsive. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, and just like with euro and the pound, this looks like we're in a 4, looking for a 5. But this can change. It can end up being a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Do not get twisted. It is likely we're getting a significant move down today on all of the USD pairs. That's the way I see it. So please bear that in mind, okay? And obviously you do what you want, okay? This is for teaching, all right? Don't necessarily take the trades that I take. I'm gonna do some educational videos. I really need to do that. This is like a perfect distribution. All it needs to do, all it needs is a break of structure over here. You get that break of structure, especially if price spends some time down there. That'll be a beautiful distribution. It is what I'm anticipating. I am looking at that as the move. I'm expecting price to come down. Potentially, I don't like to pick specific points exactly like this at least, but I am looking at that area. That area does look like a nice target for me to swipe out all these lows. We may even take this, but I wouldn't be surprised if we found support here. So that's how I see AUDUSD, NZDUSD, the pound, and the euro. Okay, I'll be back later for an update. Please trade safe, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.